This is the Lockpicking Lawyer, and what I have for you today is the IC lock for the AR-15 made by IC13 Arms and Accessories. This is a solid billet aluminum gun lock. You can see this one is anodized red, and it's designed to be dropped right into the chamber of an AR-15. Then to lock it in place, all you have to do is turn the key, which in turn rotates the bolt on the back of the lock. When it's perpendicular to the long axis of the lock, this whole mechanism will be trapped in the gun. So let me show you how we install this. Let's unlock it. Then we can drop it right into the chamber, turn the key, and it is secure. Now, when that lock is in place, what it does is prevent the bolt from closing. If the bolt can't close, the firearm can't discharge. So this gun is effectively disabled. The question then becomes, how easy is this lock to defeat? And unfortunately, the answer is not very. The weak point is this very, very small wafer core that is used to secure the lock. And to defeat it, all I had to do was insert a pick, put some tension in the bottom of the keyway, and zip it up. And that opened the lock. Let's just do that one more time. Again, we can put a pick in there, put some tension in the bottom of the keyway, and zip, and it's right open. So it's really unfortunate. I do love to see American products, particularly this one, made out of great materials, awesome fit and finish, and effective design. But unfortunately, the use of that cheap wafer core in there makes this a product that is very, very easy to defeat, and one that I certainly would not recommend. So that's all I have for you on the IC lock made by IC13 Arms and Accessories. If you do have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a nice day. Thank you.